Hi, how was your day? I just bought some glues. A lot of glues. I'm testing them out. Amazon glue versus Elmer's glue. I knew that Amazon came out with their own glue, but I didn't know that they also came out with different types of glues besides just white and clear, and so did Elmer's. So I wanted to compare similar glues from each brand, specifically glow in the dark, metallic, color, and miscellaneous glues. Starting off with the glow-in-the-dark glues from Amazon, there wasn't a specific method that I did to pick the colors. I just grabbed whatever. Decided to go with this bright neon pink one. It also had some glitters. Getting the glue out of the bottle wasn't particularly difficult, but not particularly easy either because it is quite thick, I must say. With the activator, I used borax, and I used the same proportion borax for all of the glue, so I just did 4 teaspoons diluted in 4 cups of water. The glue didn't smell bad, which is a good thing. It didn't smell like anything really, just I guess you can say it smells like glue, but it's not that noticeable. Anyways, the slime that I created from this glue is pretty nice. I really like it. It's stretchy, it's thick too, and it kind of reminded me of an icy slime a little bit, even though it's not, and it's holdable. So now, to put it to the test, does it glow in the dark? It does, and it's so cool. It's so bright. It's illuminating. Beautiful. I'm gonna give this glue a thumbs up. Now onto the glow-in-the-dark from Elmer's. I chose this purple one, and this one also has glitters. Actually, all of the glow-in-the-dark ones that I got have glitter in them, which I find interesting. So this one is not as thick, I would say, as the Amazon one, but still there. And activating it was fairly straightforward. Just activate it until it becomes slime and it clumps up and do the thing. Something I learned is patience. The key word is patience, because even though you think that you need borax, you probably don't. You should keep kneading it and kneading it until it starts stretching. It might be a little sticky then, and that's when you should add more borax, because oh my goodness, there have been so many times where I added way too much borax than needed and overactivated it. Here is the slime, and it looks quite similar to the Amazon one, where it's not as thick though, but it's still nice and looks similar. I don't know how to describe things. I don't know. Anyways, it's stretchy. It also does make great bubble pops, by the way, and it's also holdable, just like the Amazon one. Now, does this glow in the dark? It does. Look how bright and illuminating it looks. Yes, to this glue. Moving on to the metallic glues, and this is what I was most excited for. Starting off with Amazon. Oh, gorgeous blue, that sapphire metallic glue. These glues are amazing. The idea, the concept, because you're kind of killing 2 birds in 1 stone. Usually you would need some sort of pigment to create that metallic shine, but you will have it all in the glue, so you don't need it. The only disadvantage is you can't really customize the color. I couldn't find a white pearl glue. I don't know if that exists, but if it does, let me know. That'd be awesome. But anyways, this was quite difficult to get the glue out because it is super thick. It was straightforward to activate, and it created this beautiful slime. I'm in love. I'm in love. So far, all of the slimes that I've created from these glues are holdable. I don't know why, but it's probably because the glue originally was thick. Love that. This is the metallic glues from Elmers, and surprise, surprise, but not really. I'm gonna speed through this because I overactivated it. I wish I didn't do that. I don't know why I was rushing. I really don't know why. But anyways, the color though is absolutely beautiful. The metallic, the shine, everything. 10 out of 10. I am going to remake this using the other metallic glue. This time it is red. I noticed that this one is not as shiny as I hoped it would be as the turquoise green one. I do want to say that during the activation process, it may look like that the shine disappears for some time, but that's because you're constantly kneading it and stirring it or whatever. Don't worry, it will come back. Just let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes and the shine will come back. Now we have the color glues, or just colored clear glues, or clear glues that are colored. Yes, this one is Elmer's, purple color from Elmer's. Of course, this was so easy to get out because it's liquidy and thinner. I actually hate activating clear glues, but I love clear slimes. The reason why I don't like activating it is because it just gets really wrinkly at one point and you don't know whether to add more borax or not, and then somehow it comes together and becomes this. I really don't get it, but anyways, this is gorgeous. I actually really like this texture. I know that it's going to clear up in a few days, but I really like this. Doesn't it look like jelly slime in a way? And the light lavender color, I really like it. Did I say that I like it? Yeah, I really do. How many times can I say that? Moving on to the color glue from Amazon. So this was super easy to get out as it's liquidy and thin. I mentioned that I don't like activating clear glues. Another reason is because it's so easy to overactivate it. Going along the lines of how it gets wrinkly at one point, I don't know if I need to add more borax or not. And then it just somehow magically comes together. And I just don't understand. I really want to know why it does that. But anyways, this looks similar to the Elmer's one. I'm calling this category miscellaneous because it's other glues that the other brand don't have. So for Amazon, it is a galaxy glue. So freaking cool. I've never seen a multi-colored glue before, and this has a metallic shine to it. Look at the colors. They're so pretty. Yes. Yes, yes, yes to this glue. Yes. I want to point out that it was really hard to get the glue out of the container. I couldn't get much glue out. The colors eventually mix. I mean, you can't really do anything about that, and it turns into this like gunmetal purple color, which I love. And here is the final result. The slime is a bit smaller than the other slimes in this video. Well, first of all, I wasn't able to get much glue out of the container, probably because it's incredibly thick. My other theory for the thickness is probably to preserve the colors so that they don't mix. How do the colors don't mix in the container? That is a mystery. Last but not least, we have Elmers, and this is their color changing glue. This one turns blue to purple from contact with sunlight or UV light. Easy glue to get out and activate. I'm not sure if you can buy this glue separately, but in order for me to get this glue, I had to buy the kit. So it comes with the magic liquid activators and 2 color changing glues in the kit. It comes with this UV flashlight and you shine it on the glue and it turns purple, which it does. It was so fascinating. I had lots of fun drawing on the slime. So this is a nice basic slime. It has all of the good qualities of a slime, well, other than the fact that it's also color changing. The only difference I see so far between Amazon and Elmer's is the packaging. The packaging on Amazon have different languages for the title of the glue, whereas I don't really see that on the Elmer's packaging. As for prices between the two brands, I don't think it is fair to evaluate that because I got everything on Amazon and prices vary depending on where you get it, so that's not really accurate. I do want to say that as for the location, I know that you can get Elmer's glue in various physical stores. I'm not sure if you can get the Amazon glues in stores. Well, of course you can get on Amazon, I mean duh. But other than that, pretty much both brands have similar glues and they result in similar results. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up if you want to. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!